An automatic car washing machine with 5 brushes offers several advantages, making it a popular choice for car wash businesses and car owners seeking efficient and thorough cleaning. Here are the key benefits. 1. Thorough cleaning. The 5 brushes are designed to cover more surface area of the vehicle, ensuring that every part of the car, including hard-to-reach areas like wheel arches, bumpers, and side mirrors, is cleaned effectively. Multiple brushes work simultaneously to provide a more comprehensive wash compared to machines with fewer brushes. 2. Gentle on vehicle surfaces. High-quality brushes are made from soft, non-abrasive materials that are gentle on the cars, reducing the risk of scratches or swirl marks. The even pressure distribution of multiple brushes ensures a safe and consistent cleaning process. 3. Time efficiency. The 5-brush system can clean a car faster than manual washing or machines with fewer brushes, as it covers more areas at once. This is especially beneficial for car wash businesses looking to serve more customers in less time. 4. Consistent results. Automated systems ensure that every vehicle receives the same level of cleaning, eliminating human error or inconsistency. The brushes are programmed to follow precise movements, ensuring uniform cleaning across all surfaces. 5. Reduced water and chemical usage. Automatic car wash machines are designed to optimize water and detergent usage, making them more eco-friendly compared to manual washing. The 5-brush system ensures efficient application of cleaning solutions, reducing waste. 6. Enhanced customer experience. For car wash businesses, a 5-brush machine provides a premium service that can attract more customers. The quick and thorough cleaning process improves customer satisfaction and loyalty. 7. Low maintenance. Modern automatic car wash machines are built for durability and require minimal maintenance. The brushes are easy to replace or clean, ensuring long-term reliability. A. Versatility. The 5-brush system can accommodate a wide range of vehicle sizes and shapes, from compact cars to SUVs and trucks. Adjustable brush settings ensure that different types of vehicles are cleaned effectively without damage. 9. Improved safety. Automatic systems reduce the need for manual labor, minimizing the risk of injuries or accidents for workers. Sensors and safety features in the machine ensure that the vehicle is hand-led safely during the wash process. 10. Cost-effective for businesses. While the initial investment may be higher, the efficiency and speed of a 5-brush car wash machine can lead to higher revenue and lower operational costs over time, reduce labor costs, and increase customer throughput, make it a profitable choice for car wash operators.